Moong Dal Halwa recipe. A rich and aromatic Indian dessert made from split yellow lentils, ghee, and sugar. Ingredients. Yellow moong dal, split 1 cup. Ghee, clarified butter 1/2 cup. Sugar 3/4 cup. Water 1 cup. Milk 1 cup. Cardamom powder 1/2 tsp. Chopped nuts, almonds, cashews, pistachios 2 to 3 tbsp. Raisins optional. Instructions. 1. Soak the dal. Rinse and soak the moong dal in water for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. Drain and grind into a coarse paste, do not add water. 2. Cook the dal paste. In a non-stick or heavy pan, heat ghee. Add the dal paste and roast on medium-low heat. Stir continuously until it turns golden brown and aromatic, about 20 to 25 mins. 3. Prepare liquid mix. In a separate pan, heat water and milk together. Add sugar and stir until dissolved. 4. Combine and cook. Slowly pour the hot milk sugar mixture into the roasted dal. Be careful, it will splatter. Stir well and cook until the liquid is absorbed and the mixture thickens. 5. Flavor and garnish. Add cardamom powder and mix well. Garnish with chopped nuts.